similar to this. The only difference is I've given my first page a title. So yours might say first page instead of add, which is what this should say, content block. And then I can just click save and that will change there. So today we're going to talk about all of the options that you have in your add content block. So on any page, so I could lay this Haiku page out with many different pages or sections. And in order to add any content to any of those pages once they've been created, I simply click on Add Content Block. Also, just to let you know before we move forward, if your class is active but you have pages you're still building out, you can leave them, excuse me, you can leave them unpublished. But once you're ready for your students or your audience to see the work that you've created, then you can go ahead and click here and tell it to publish when you're ready. So just so you know, and when you're ready to publish your page, you can go to Manage Class and make it active. Mine says inactive because actually this page is already activated. All right, so let's get started. So first item, this is our go-to for everything. We're going to click on Add Content Block. So the first section that we're going to look at is content. We have on-page text, files, web links, images, Flickr, embed the web, video, YouTube, audio, Noteflight, which actually our district hasn't purchased, so we don't use this. This is for specific musical programs. And then we have mini sites and Google Drive. So we're going to walk through all of these today, and then we'll explore these next two items, calendar and connect and assess, before we're finished here today. So the first one, add on-page text. So when I click on that, Haiku is going to walk me through what exactly I want to add. So I would put a title here. It might be Lesson Introduction. You can decide if you want the title to be hidden or if you want it to be seen. If it's redundant of the information that you're actually going to provide in the text, then you might actually want to hide that title. Just for you guys to know, I've actually created a Google folder in my Drive where I've located everything I already want to put on my page. So instead of worrying about collecting my content, I actually pre-collected it, also for time reasons, so that I could show you how to actually embed the content and not spend the time trying to find it. So everything we're going to add, I can actually pull from here. So I decided for my content block, I'm just going to copy and paste this information here. So I'm saying that we're studying the age of Jackson. This would be like 8th grade history. I'm going to copy that and paste it here. You could actually just type it in, but because I created it beforehand, I just copied and pasted it. When I press save, it's now automatically on my page. And what's nice is that if I don't want it over here, I can just drag and drop it so that it's located in the place that I want it on the page.